We'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox QR code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your username and password if you aren't logged in already. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share using a QR code. Click on the file or folder to select it. You'll see a Share button, usually located on the right side of the screen. Click that Share button, and a pop-up window will appear with sharing options. In this window, you'll see a link that says Copy Link. Click on that to copy the direct link to your clipboard. Now, to convert this link into a QR code, open a new tab and go to a QR code generator website. There are plenty of free ones available, like qrcodegenerator.com. On the QR code generator website, look for an option to paste your link, and paste the Dropbox link you copied earlier into the designated field. After pasting the link, click on the Generate or Create button, and the website will produce a QR code for you. You can download or screenshot this QR code to share it. This QR code can be scanned by anyone with a QR scanner app on their phone to access the Dropbox file or folder you shared. It's a super handy way to share files without needing to send a direct link. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.